Today we're going to discuss website security. So let me ask you a question. If you have a shop and then one of the windows at your shop is not locking or closing, would you just leave it and go home? Because many people are actually doing this to their websites. Websites are a part of your business, and now more than ever they are important, and they're becoming more and more important as we stay home, work from home, and try to do our business online. So if you didn't know, websites right there on their own, they can develop all sorts of problems. An outdated code or a plugin or a framework like WordPress or anything else could actually be outdated, needs an update, and if you don't update it, it opens that window into your business and it keeps it vulnerable for all kinds of malicious intent. So leaving outdated code and outdated themes and plugins on your website is like actually leaving a broken window at your shop and going home just hoping that nothing will happen, right? So you need to look at having a professional to look after your website security, infrastructure, updates and upgrades. Something else that many people forget about, when you have a shop, you go and have insurance. So should anything bad happen, at least you have insurance and you can get back on your feet and get your business back up and running as soon as you can. The same thing happens with your website. You need to have daily backups. So you need to understand that it's very important to have daily backups. And if you are in e-commerce and you're selling online, maybe you need hourly backups or maybe a backup every 10 minutes. The idea is if anything wrong happens, at least you can restore from the latest backup that worked and get back up and running as soon as possible without this costing you many orders and without it costing you your brand and your reputation. So please have a professional look at your website, and if you need help, just contact us at Human Talent Tech. Thank you. Bye.
Hang on, don't go away yet. Now that you've completed this video, I'm going to have to ask you to click on the like if you have enjoyed it, because everybody likes to be liked, You can also subscribe. That way, you're going to get all of the cool YouTube stuff made by this guy right here. And finally, why not let all your friends know how great you thought this video was? You can share it with them or even use it in your blog. Thank you. Thank you very much. We see you soon.